morning, all of you. Today we will do the revision of the history chapter, the national movement. And we have done this chapter quite in detail. So I'll be asking you questions even from the middle of the chapter, and all of you need to prepare that way only. You need to read the chapter thoroughly because things could be asked even from the middle of the chapter. Okay, partition of Bengal, which year? Yes, come on, partition of Bengal.
Um, 05.
Okay, 1905, 1905. You need to learn the dates also, that is very important. The Rowlatt Act.
1919.
Alright, okay. The Morley Minto reforms. Morley Minto reforms. What is
1909.
Yes, 1909. And what is the other name for Morley Minto reforms? What is the other name for that?
Indian Councils Act of 1909. Indian Councils Act of 1909.
Alright, so Indian Councils Act of 1909 is also known as the Morley Minto reforms. Okay. Uh, the year in which Congress split, or what is also famously known as the Surat split. Which year? Surat split.
1907. December 1907.
Okay, 1907. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
13th April 1919.
Yes, 13th April
1919.
1919. Okay, 13th April 1919. Uh, when did Gandhiji arrive in India from South Africa? Which year?
1915. 1915.
Okay, 1915. Alright. Satyagraha in Champaran. Which year?
1917.
1917. Okay. The Satyagraha at Ahmedabad. Workers and mill owners. Against the workers and mill owners. Or between the workers, sorry, between the workers and the mill owners. Which year? Yes,
1918.
1918. 1918, one more thing. There is one more Satyagraha. These three together comprise the three early campaigns of Gandhiji. Which was that?
Crops failed in the Kheda district in Gujarat.
Alright, okay, so the Khera district in Gujarat, crops failing there. So Gandhiji also had a very successful campaign there. Okay. Then the Chauri Chaura incident. The Chauri Chaura incident. Guess date and year. Chauri Chaura.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Alright, Chauri Chaura
Yes, ma'am,
incident.
you are not audible.
Better, it will become better, don't worry much.
1st February 1922.
5th February 1922.
Okay, 5th February 1922. Alright, then Simon Commission
1928.
1928. Poon Swaraj Resolution, which year the Poon Swaraj Resolution was taken? Yes, Swaraj resolution? It was taken at the Lahore session of the Congress. In which year?
1929.
1929. Alright. And so the Congress celebrated the complete Independence Day on
26 January 1930.
okay 26 January 1930. Alright. Quit India movement.
1942.
8 August 1942. 8 August 1942.
Okay. Alright. Sarojini Naidu died.
2 March 1949. 2nd March 1949.
Okay. 2nd March 1949, correct. Subhash Chandra Bose died in plane crash.
August 17, 1945.
Okay, August 17, 1945. There were 2 more dates which I. Yes. All India Muslim League was founded. Which year?
(1906).
1906. Okay. Arms Act.
1878.
That year, one more act was passed. What was that?
Vernacular Press Act.
Alright, the Vernacular Press Act. Ilbert Bill. Which year?
1883.
1883. Formation of Indian National Congress.
1885.
1885. Okay. Among these 4, who was not a moderate leader? Alright. Dadabhai Naroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Surendranath Banerjee and Firoz Shah Mehta. Who was not a moderate leader among these 4?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Okay, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was a
Radical.
radical. Okay. In Deltaic Andhra, which movement was referred to as the Vande Mataram movement?
Swadeshi and Boycott Movement. Swadeshi and Boycott Movement.
Alright, Swadeshi and Boycott movement. Do or die slogan was given by Mahatma Gandhi at the commencement or the starting of which movement?
Quit India.
Quit India.
Quit India movement.
Alright. Okay. Which of the following statements regarding Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is incorrect? The other 3 are correct, only 1 is incorrect. He was called Sarhadi Gandhi. He founded the Khudai Khidmatgars. He opposed the partition of India. He opposed Mahatma Gandhi.
He opposed Mahatma Gandhi.
Alright, he opposed Mahatma Gandhi. That is the wrong statement. Okay, match the following. First president of the INC. First president of the Indian National Congress.
V.C. Banerjee.
Alright, W.C. Banerjee. Where is Jallianwala Bagh?
Amritsar.
Amritsar. Netaji?
Founder of INA.
Okay, founder of INA. India's first woman governor. Sarojini Naidu. Okay. Now you have to tell whether these following statements are true or false. The Arms Act of 1878 allowed Indians to possess arms.
False.
False. It disallowed Indians to possess arms. The first session of the INC was attended by 72 delegates.
True.
True. Okay. In 1906, the All India Muslim League was founded by Aga Khan.
True.
Okay, true. In 1918, the British passed the Rowlatt Act.
False.
Which year was it passed?
1919.
1919. Will or can anyone tell me what was the Rowlatt Act?
According to the Rowlatt Act, the police can arrest any Indian without a trial in the court, district court or the high court.
Alright. So they could arrest anyone without a warrant or imprison anyone without a trial for a period of 2 years. So that was the Rowlatt Act. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi started the Quit India movement in 1945.
False.
Which year was it started?
1942.
1942, correct. Okay. Sarojini Naidu participated in the Dash Conference in 1931.
Round table.
Round Table. Subhash Chandra Bose was popularly known as
Netaji.
Netaji. Okay, Gandhiji arrived in Dash from South Africa in 1915.
India.
India. The Dash Satyagraha was a non-violent protest against the British salt tax.
Salt Satyagraha.
Salt Satyagraha. The Indian National Congress chose Dash as its main tactic for winning independence.
Satyagraha.
Okay, Satyagraha. Who founded the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha?
Pune Sarvajanik Sabha was founded by Mahadev Govind Ranade.
Okay, Mahadev Govind Ranade. Correct. Alright. What reason did the British give for the partition of Bengal?
The British divided Bengal for reasons of administrative convenience, but in reality it was meant to weaken the national movement in Bengal.
Alright, good. Why was the non-cooperation movement withdrawn? Why was it withdrawn?
On 5th February, a Congress procession of 3,000 peasants at Chauri Chaura, a village in Gorakhpur district of UP, was fired upon by the police. The angry crowd attacked and burned the police station, causing the death of 22 policemen. As Gandhiji was against violence, so he called off the non-cooperation movement.
Alright, good Ashita. When
Thank
did
you, ma'am.
the civil disobedience movement start? When did it start?
The civil disobedience movement started with the breaking of the salt law in 1930.
Okay, 1930. How did the government suppress it? Yes. Has anyone learned the second part of this answer? How did the government suppress the
Gandhiji was arrested on May 1930. Over 80,000 Indians were jailed as a result of civil disobedience movement.
Okay. Now, one more thing you need to remember, like sometimes the question has more than one part, and maybe in exam you are asked only one part, single part, not both the parts of the question. So you need to answer only the part that is being asked. All right. So like if any question has 3 parts and only 2 parts are asked, so you need to answer only those 2 parts. Okay. Who were the moderates? Who were the moderates? can tell in your own words who were the moderates?
Right from its birth, the Indian National Congress was led by a group of people known as moderates.
Okay. Alright. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I should have it?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar
Okay,
Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who ordered the partition of Bengal? Who ordered the partition of Bengal?
Viceroy Curzon.
Alright. Viceroy Curzon, he announced the partition of Bengal. Okay. So, for today, we'll stop here.